Okay, what's going on, folks? Mr. Brunsvold here. This is just a quick video showing you how you can scale your model. Um, so I'm going to do a little upload from my device. Um, bu- 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 Okay, so this is a blueprint of my model, which is the Eiffel Tower. Um, okay, and then I know that my model is whoa, let's make this a lot bigger. I know that my model is 324, excuse me, 125 meters wide, because I researched it. Let's change that to red. Whoa. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, and then I also know it's 125 feet deep as well. Oh, excuse me, meters deep, I should say. So I'll write that right there. So it's 125 meters wide, 125 meters deep. Okay. And then I know from my research that the Eiffel Tower is 324 meters tall. Okay. And so then what I'm going to do is copy my image. Let's copy my image. And I'm going to put it next to my original. So this takes a while. Okay, and then what I'm going to do once I move it down here is I'm going to scale it down. Um, like so. Okay, so I've got my original image and then I've got my scaled down image right next to it here. Okay, and so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate how tall my scaled model will be. Um, and so I'll do that using fractions, kind of like we have in the past. Um, so I know that the model that I bought off of Amazon is about 10 inches tall because that's what it says. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a fraction. It's 324, and I'm going to divide that by 10, and that will tell me my scale factor. Actually, I want to do 10 divided by 324 to figure out my scale factor. And then I'll just put that into a calculator. So I'll go to Desmos. We'll go to the scientific calculator. We'll do 10 divided by 324, and we should get about 0.0309. So that's my scale factor. So you'll need to calculate that. So 0.0309, that's your scale factor. And for me, this is also converting it from meters to inches, right? Because the actual Eiffel Tower is 324 meters tall, but my model is going to be 10 inches tall. So really my scale factor here would also have units, inches over meters. You won't type that in when you put it into the quiz. Okay, and so then let's figure out, we can change the text. We can change that from 324 meters to 10 inches because that's how tall it is. Let's figure out how deep and wide the Eiffel Tower is. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that fraction, be 10 over 324. And then we will set that equal to x over 125. Okay, and so then to solve this, we'll cross multiply. So we'll do 10 times 125 divided by 324. So here, I'll show out the steps for that. So it'll be 10 times 125 equals 324 times x. And so then x will equal 10 times 125 all over 3, 2, 4. So we'll do 10 times 125 over 324. We'll type that into Desmos. 10 times 125 over 324. That's going to be 3.86 inches. X should equal 3 3.86 inches. Okay, and so then we can change our measurements down at the base. So this is going to be 3.86 inches. And this one will be the same, 3.86 inches. And that's because the base of the Eiffel Tower is a square, so the width is the same as the depth. That might not be true for your monument. Depends upon which monument you picked. Okay, so I knew that my Eiffel Tower model is about 10 inches. You might not know how high you're going to build yours yet, so you can just pick a number right now. Like maybe you want to pick it to be 1 foot or 12 inches for yours. Maybe you want to pick something different. That's kind of up to you. And then if you're building it in Minecraft, remember your scale is going to be 1:1. You need to have your units in meters though, so you might need to convert those units to meters for your original image. But your scale will be your scale factor will be 1. So then really your scaled image should have all the same units in it. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much where we're at. Let me know if you have any questions on calculating the scale factor or dimensions for your model. Yeah.